Sorry, I've been watching Lucifer, the TV show on Netflix, and I'm obsessed with it. If you haven't seen it, watch it. It's really funny. The guy who plays Lucifer is amazing. Anyway, welcome to my channel. It's me, Sarah, Magic Makeup. Today I'm showing you how to look very creepy and turn into no less than Lucifer, the devil himself. This is part of my 31 days of Halloween challenge, so make sure you check out my previous videos and come back tomorrow for another tutorial. By the way, if you are new, welcome, nice to meet you. Click the subscribe button down below and the bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. And like I said, come back tomorrow for another one. If you want to know how I turned into this, keep watching and I'll see you at the end of the video. Alright, so, my face is itchy. I'm not ready for this Lucifer makeup. I'm scared. I'm going to moisturize. I'm sorry, my nose is itchy, my face is itchy. I have allergies today and I don't have any pills. So, the first step is moisturizing the skin to protect it and thank it for putting up with so much painting this month. Okay, now second step, I'm going to put on a primer. Alright, third step is the removal of the eyebrows. You're gonna need a glue stick and compact powder. Okay, now I'm going to glue my horns that I made yesterday. If you want me to film this kind of stuff, like making props, let me know in the comments and I will show you how to make these. It's really cheap and really easy. All you need is aluminum foil and a glue gun. And basically what you do is you shape the horns with the aluminum foil. And then with your glue gun, you just apply the glue in circles all around your horn. You let it dry, obviously, and then you paint it the way you want. I'm going to try and glue them. I hope it doesn't turn out to be a massive failure because I've never done this before and I hope the spirit gum is going to be strong enough to glue them. When you glue them, make sure they are symmetrical and yeah, let's try guys. I'm going to use spirit gum and what is it called? Spirit gum and wax to glue them on my forehead. I'm using a pink crayon and I'm going to draw a circle exactly where I want my horns to be. Now, spirit gum. I've also prepared the wax that I'm going to roll in a kind of sausage shape and wrap all around to better glue it to my forehead, hopefully. I'm really scared that this doesn't work out. In case it doesn't glue, I have a headband and I will glue the horns on the headband. Ideally, I would like them to be on my forehead and not in my hair, so. And now you want to hold the horn like this for at least 2 minutes. And cross your fingers. Okay, so a little update. I have been holding it for 2 minutes, but it's not completely dry yet, so make it 3, perhaps 4. I'm going to try to put on the wax now. That maybe will do the trick. I'm putting it at the base of my horn and flattening it so it blends with my skin. Hopefully this will reinforce the structure, but I am not very sure. I'm gonna put more all around it and a bit more at the bottom still, and hopefully this will do the trick. Looks promising, so I need a little bit more in the back here, and I think they might not fall after all. Yes. Now let's do the second one. I think it's not falling. Well, I'm gonna put the other one. Yee. I'm going to push hard 1 more minute to make sure they are finished to glue on my skin. I think it worked! I love it. It's cool. Before I paint all of my face red, I'm going to sketch the mouth and the teeth. So I want him to have showing his teeth like kind of like this, you know, to make him look mean and arrogant. Alright, now with water activated white paint, I'm going to paint the teeth. Alright, I want to now apply the red all over my face and around the horns. So I'm using cream red paint. Okay, not the best color on me. I'm now going to go back to the teeth, the mouth, and start painting the gums. I'm using a nude lipstick. Looks like it's lower than it was before, so I am freaking out. Alright, let's pray that it doesn't fall. Let's pray that I can finish the makeup. And if you're gonna do this makeup, run some tests before you do this. Make sure it's gonna glue perfectly. Now I'm going to add the lips to my mouth, and I'm using a black eyeliner. Okay, now I'm going to add details to the teeth. And I'm starting with gray eyeshadow. I'm going to make the teeth look less white, less clean. Now I'm going to separate the teeth with black eyeliner. And now we'll highlight the teeth with white eyeliner. And now with white cream paint, I'm going to make the lips look more realistic and plump and 3D and shiny. I'm done with the hardest part of the makeup, and now I'm going to do some contouring. I'm going to use a dark... Sorry. So for contouring, I'm going to use a dark red. Right, and now I'm going to shade even more with a black eyeshadow. Now I'm putting kohl or black kajal on my waterline. Okay, now I'm going to contour the nose with black eyeliner because I want to have a little bit pointed with big nostril, kind of like a beast nose. Okay, now I'm going to sculpt my brow bone with black eyeshadow. Look so creepy. Alright, now I'm using my black eyeliner and I'm going over the black eyeshadow to reinforce the depth of my wrinkles. Now I'm going to highlight all my wrinkles with white eyeliner. Alright, now I'm going to do something that I hope doesn't ruin the makeup. I'm going to apply black where the horns are growing, and I'm using black eyeshadow. Now I'm putting black paint between the horn and the wax. And now with black eyeshadow and a detail brush, I'm going to add wrinkles on my forehead. Alright, now I'm going to add shadows on the neck and shoulders. Oh my god. Now I'm going to highlight the torso with white cream paint. Can't believe this is me. Alright, I'm finished. I'm going to set all of this with a setting spray and then I will put on the contacts. And by the way, if you are going to wear contacts for your makeup, make sure you put them on before you do the makeup. I don't personally because 1 time out of 3 contacts hurt me and I have a hard time painting myself. But if you are used to wearing contacts, put them in before so you are sure not to have any like powder in your eye and then the contacts won't hurt you. I have picked the mystery red contacts. They are red and slightly yellow in the middle and darker on the outside. So I think they're gonna look extremely creepy. I mean, red contacts always look creepy. Can't believe this is me. Oh my god. Oh dear. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna put on the other one. Creepy! Oh my goodness. Well... Sometimes I feel schizophrenic when I do makeups because when I see my face like this, I just don't recognize myself and I turn into a totally different person. It's like I am inhabited by something. Guys, this is evil. This is really creepy and tomorrow's makeup is going to be something more cute and pretty and glamorous, or at least creepy but fun, you know? Like not nightmare scary. So yeah, I'm done. I'm happy. I'm finished. I'm happy I got this one out of my system and I will see you tomorrow with another Halloween makeup.